Magandang hapon po sa inyo. So up to now, I'm still in the process of thinking everything that has happened in our Artists in First Philippines journey. And I never really expected that I would be pitched with my highest self. And I really assure you na hindi dito matatapos sa ating transformation because we will even transform better for our next Miss National Philippines 2025.
Yes, we're looking forward to that, Tara. And also, what was your celebratory meal?
For performance, I really avoided carbs talaga. But after the coronation night, I had a bowl of yum chow.
Wow.
Grabe na miss ko kumain ng kanin.
Alright, so Tara Valencia.
Yeah, so since I'm going to compete next year, I've been giving my all-out support for our Queen Miss Supranational 2024 Philippines, which is Aladea Ambrosio. So she will be competing this July for her to really bag another crown or another pride for the Philippines. And at the same time, after the coronation, I have been starting learning about the pageant, about how we can create a game plan for us to really win even better. Okay, so when it comes to our Philippine Independence Day, we can really further honor the heroism of our previous national heroes by also acknowledging how this has really greatly impacted our history, how it has impacted our culture and what we are really experiencing and enjoying right now. Because if this culture, heritage, and history would really be a driver for us to preserve it even better, then it can really be a better Philippines. Ako, tinitingala ko lahat ng mga miyembro at saka kakampi ng ating mga LGBTQIA community. And I really do agree with Cyril that every LGBTQIA members or allies are really somehow really imparting their role, their purpose in this society. And as for me, I really admire my team because I wouldn't be the Tara Valencia that you have met. The Tara Valencia that is a beauty queen, that is fully glammed up without this team who really pushed me to pursue this passion, to pursue this dream na hindi lang pangarap ko, kundi pangarap ng pamilya ko at pangarap ng team ko yun. And I really do look up to these people who really is a way for us to achieve such dreams. Because I really do believe that our LGBTQIA community are meant to bring colors to our world.
You have 1 year to wait for your upcoming pageant. So how do you plan to utilize this 1 full year? Or apart from your preparation, how do you keep everyone excited knowing that you will still be competing a year from now?
So we will not stop with our activities at the same time with our preparation. And with the past 4 months, I'm also been away from my family. So what I'm really doing is to make the most out of my time for my family, for all those times that I've missed with them. Because going back to your core, going to all about recalibrating yourself is your really main preparation for you to be strong for the next pageant itself.